Today I'm cooking for you Samfaina. What's Samfaina, you ask? Okay, it's simply a Catalan version of ratatouille. However, it is actually debatable if the French actually copied the Catalans with their dish and actually kind of like, let's say, gentrified it for themselves. Why do I say this is because basically, historically, tomatoes and aubergines were incorporated a lot more in Catalan cuisine than it was in France. So it stands to reason that they actually created it first. I'm going to be crediting it for you. And one thing for me is I don't understand why we do not use this more in restaurants around Norfolk. It's so brilliant, it's so versatile. Anyway, like, comment and subscribe.